Hello, today we're going to take a look at the new ChargeCard by AquaVault. This is a credit card size phone charger that'll fit in your wallet and act as a nice emergency booster for when you're running out of juice on your phone. You can quickly give it a recharge. So let's check it out. We got really nice cool packaging. It's got a clear see-through window where you'll notice the product directly inside. On the back, it's got some specifications and features showing how to use the product. Let's get right into the box and see what we got. So inside the box, opening the cover, we have the unit itself. Has a power button in the front with when you push the button, it'll show 4 lights to show how charged up this unit is. Let's go inside a little further and see what we got in here. We'll remove these things, move them over to the side, and you'll notice that there are some cables and a nice little velvet bag in there. I have a Samsung phone, so I'm going to use the USB-C adapter for the phone. I would take out the USB-C adapter and use the charge card and plug it in just like this into this edge right here. And you can remove this little paper piece, but I'll leave it on there for now. And then you notice I got a USB-C on here. Plug that directly into the phone and the phone will start charging. This unit comes charged right out of the box, so it'll immediately start to charge your phone up. If I had an Apple phone, I would use the lightning cord. If I was charging up like speakers or AirPods, like a portable speaker or something, I use the micro USB cable right here, and that would all plug in the exact same way right on the side right here, with the part that goes into your phone at the top. Flipping it over, it's got a nice design. It's very thin. You can see that this is very thin, fits in the wallet very easily. Then it also comes with this nice velvet storage pouch. You can put it in here, carry it along with you if you wanted to. Additionally, inside the package we have some instructions. So it looks like it's got some pretty good instructions here, how to use, some features, some diagrams, as well as some written instructions on the back.